get on here today to share this bathroom set with you. I saw it online, it looked so beautiful. I have a bathroom in the basement that's a little bit more modern. Go ahead and open it up and we'll see what we have. Alright, so this set was just so easy to install. It came with everything you need, whether you have studs, you could just use the screws, or if you had drywall, you can use the wall anchors as well. I had a mix of both, so it was great that I had everything I needed. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. They're made from stainless steel and then they're coated with this matte kind of finish, just very beautiful and stylish. So if you are looking to modernize your bathroom, I think this is a great set for you and I think you're going to love it. Thanks for watching.